So today I'll be showing you how to use audio from an Instagram reel to create your own Instagram reel. All right. So as you're going through Instagram reels and you come across audio like this, for instance, so if you like that audio and you want to use it in your own Instagram reel, then what you need to do is go to the bottom right side of that Instagram reel and you should see an icon there. And when you tap on that icon, this one right here, there, it opens the original audio page. And here you can actually see other videos or other reels that use that exact same audio. And if you want to use the audio, simply tap on use audio. It's gonna open an Instagram Reels page where you can start either recording with your camera. So let's say you record something like this. Now, when you watch it back, let's try and watch that back. So as you can hear, it uses that exact same audio. Now, if I could go back, alternatively, you don't really have to use your camera. You can actually upload a video from your gallery, maybe a video like this. And also, it's going to use that exact audio. And so if you like it, you can simply select add. And you should have your video with that exact audio, and you can go ahead and publish it to your Instagram profile as an Instagram reel. And that's basically how you can use audio from other Instagram reels to create your own Instagram reel on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.